Well, my YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and today we will be looking at one of my favorite boards on Pinterest, my handbag slash purses board. Okay, so I'm going to head straight into that board right now, and I don't know, this is one of my favorite boards because it just has it has most of the purses that are like my dream purses, so it just lightens up my world because I really like purses a lot. If you know me, I am a purse girl. Like I love purses, and I'm telling you guys a little story. I don't know. Like when I was younger, I didn't like purses. I just think purses are just like so dumb, and my mom would be so obsessed with purses, and I would just be like, why do you like handbags? But I don't know, as I got older, like got really older, like in my 20s, I just like purses so much. I just think purses are so cute. I just think purses really push your outfit to a whole nother level. Like if you have the outfit and it looks good, then you have a purse that makes the outfit look even better. It's just like it's a level system, okay? Levels. Alright, but yeah, so I'm going to show you guys a few purses that I don't own. I mean, not yet. And I do have some of these stuff. I do have a few, okay? It's not that bad. Yeah. I have 681 things, so I know that we will not be looking at all of these purses today. But I will just show you guys a few of my faves, and I'll just honestly not even a few of my faves. I will just show you guys some of these purses that I like, some of the purses that I recently pinned, and we will just go from there. So this cute Fendi purse, and it's cute, but it's not really doing anything for me. But this travel luggage, girl, I really want this. I've seen one in like gold before. Wow. Like imagine me going on a private jet with this. Like I just imagine things and then but it's one of them. But I really like this this travel luggage Louis V travel bag. I don't know what else to call it. It's so cute. But I really think it's so cute, and I would like that in my life, please. These big Christian Dior purses. I don't know, handbag. I don't know. I'm gonna call things purses and purses handbags and handbags purses. The term is used interchangeably in my world. If you don't like it, then you have to go just buy it because where I gotta go. Alright, so these big purses, like it's like tote bags, right? They're like tote bags. I like them a lot, but they just seem so vacay. Like I see people wear them like on an everyday basis, and I've seen people actually wear it and make it look cute. But these purses just seem so vacay. Like they don't seem like something you wear on an everyday basis. But don't come beat me up and tell me down and tell me say I like me and tell. This is just my opinion. Honestly, my opinion really doesn't mean anything in this whole wide world of 7 billion people. That's just how I feel. I just think it's a very vacay looking purse. What is this? This Givenchy? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what brand this is. Is it Fendi? Child. But it looks good though. It looks really nice. It's giving me like formal vibes. Like when you get a purse like this, you're thinking you're gonna wear it to like a ball or something. It's not really giving just like regular. It's giving very occasion. And then you have Louis V. Bro, I don't know why, but Louis is that boy when it comes to purses, because Louis Vuitton purses come in all shapes and all sizes, and I am here for it. Like they have everything. Like look at this blue number. Like why are you going for like yeah. Alright, so we're gonna look at this Chanel baby right here. Cute, don't cute. If I go with itself, like BS, BS, BS. But honestly, this gold Balenciaga purse is what I wanted for my birthday. For my 24th birthday, I wanted this purse to wear with my gold dress. But it is such a cute purse though. Like honestly, it's so nice. So it's so like I love small purses with structure. Like when a purse is small and it has like the handle is like just nice and neat. It's like that's when you're fully mad. It's like that's when you come into your full badness form. Cause it just, and you know what it just done so. Ooh, yeah, I love that. I get so excited that that when something here like what. But this looks like a purse that you would wear everywhere. Like you would have a purse like this and you wear it with everything. Everything. If you have jeans and you have a top and you have your slippers on and you're wearing this purse, because it's a Chanel purse, number one. Number two, it gives vibes. Like it has like the colors that would match every single thing. Like even if you're in a white t-shirt and some jeans pants and some slippers, yeah, what's on this guys? This is just so universal. Like what else? What? Yeah. Alright, let me show you guys something. Girl, I don't know what this purse is, if it's Birkin or what, but it's so pretty. So I don't know what this purse is either. It says Westwood, which I haven't heard of that brand before. Probably I live on the rock because I can't do. But yeah, this is so beautiful. This is giving me a rocker punk chick vibes. These are so nice and they give me like lunchbox vibes. It is so cute. Honestly, these are giving me preppy rich girl on 1,000 because just the structure of it in general, and it just looks like a lunchbox, like it's giving rich girl. I don't know how else to put it. I'll put the words. But I find this would be a cute winter purse. But I find these purses could be worn literally with anything, because like they're Chanel and so bougie, like universal language. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you guys would like to see more videos like this of me just dissecting the world of bags and the world of my Pinterest, please like this video so that I can shoot out more videos like this for you guys. And yeah, bye.